What's going on, dudes and dudettes? BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans, and today, Immokalee, Florida, a little something different today though. We got the truck shootout going on. It's pretty outrageous out here. It's gonna be round number one. It's gonna be Charles over here in the left lane.
Got gapped big time by the left side. Left side to the stripe first.
All right, left lane taking the W. Charles moving on to round number two. Charlie and Plain Jane right here, racing this crew cab.
Chevy right
of Extreme Daily Driver. Here we go. Charles in the right lane, got a big C10, I believe it is, in the left lane. Here we go.
Looks like the right side. Right side.
Oh, man, I am zoomed in on my face. Hold on a second here. Oh no, it's getting closer! Turbo Silverado over here. We got the Sonoma over here. Charles. This is the final of Extreme Daily Driver. We got Carlos in the F-150.
Grudge race coming up next.
And then we got Charles in the right lane in the Sonoma. S10 Sonoma.
Extreme
Whatever.
Daily.
Charlie taking the W tonight. Congratulations, Charlie. Guys, awesome night of racing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.